Hi and welcome back to the Simple Web Start Learning Center, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you where to find the maintenance button so that when you are actually uploading quite a few pages or editing quite a few pages, sometimes it's better to put it onto the under maintenance banner. So to do that, all you would have to do is go to your settings, general settings, and then if you scroll down, you will see your maintenance button here, and it says that the website will not be available to visitors, but you'll be able to edit it in the site builder. So all we would do is just turn it on, and you can change this if you wish, or leave it as it is here. And we'd save changes. And then what you can do is to see it in live, I'll just show you. This is the website live at the minute. So if I refresh the page, you will see that the actual banner has come up. And like I say, it just gives you more time to maintain and edit your website. And then when you've done everything you need to do, if you go back to your settings, general settings, scroll down again and switch it off, save changes. And then, like I say, if you go back to your website, refresh it, and then your website's back online. So anyway, I hope this video has been helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.